short hair. Yeah. For the longest time. It will grow. It will grow.
Give it back.
It will grow. Nag-shopping kami pero naka-uniform kasi si Alexander. Look like that. Pwede siya ihang. Can do like that. Kitchen organizer, $3.99. And then hand blender, 17 pound. Hello. Yan. Today guys, nandito ako sa town center. Today is ano na ako, anong tawag dito? Yung sa salon na free lang. Kasi parang imo-model yung hair ko. Model yung hair. Hindi. Ato. 'Di ba long siya ngayon. Magiging a little bit shorter na siya soon. So, pakita ko sa inyo. Hindi ko sure kung pwede ba daw mag-film, but let's say kung pwedeng mag-film, but I doubt. Okay, roam around muna ako. Mainit kasi, kaya ano na lang, pupunta pala ako ng Primark. Mainit kasi, nag-jacket ako, tapos mainit siya, kaya niremove ko na lang yung jacket ko. Anyway, I'll update you later. Okay, so malapit na tayo sa Primark. Pupunta sana ako ng B&M, kaso nga lang, Primark na lang kasi madali lang. Kasi yung appointment ko, 1 p.m. Tapos, pupunta ako doon, 1:50 1. Yeah. So, tapos, i-curl niya yung buhok ko. Basta pakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung pwede. Okay? Walang masabing iba. Here's Primark. Punta na tayo. Look at this. It's really nice. I like it. It's just 10 pound. And it's elegant. Look at that. And they also have black. Yeah. Look at. So nice. Mapapabili tayo ng di oras. Oh my God. Kanina pa ako nag-talk. Wala pala akong sinasabi. So, yun na nga. Punta na ako sa salon. Nag-film ako sa Primark. And now, 10 minutes going there. Ang init. Dala ko tong aking damit. Okay. Malapit na tayo sa salon, guys. Excited ako, actually. Kaso nga lang, ano lang siya, cut lang siya, pa-curly today. And finish hair with lang siya, tsaka cut ng hair dahil medyo mahaba yung aking hair. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, if soon they need model for color naman, I'm willing. As long as hindi yung pink, blue, violet, purple, okay sa akin yung mga gray or ano pa ba, basta mga ganong color. So, hopefully soon kunin din na tayo para hindi naman tayo maano. Kasi it's very expensive. Ito, nagkakat ng hair ko ako lang. Kaya hindi siya pantay or something like that. So, yeah. So, nag-taxi ako guys kasi nga ngayon, it's almost near to 5 something, 5:12 na. Tapos si Alexander, nilagay ko siya sa out of school care. So, nagbayad ako doon. So, actually, yung nilibre kong pag-cut ng hair ko, binayad ko lang din. You know, I don't know, magkano ba yung bayad pag nagpa-haircut? Mga siguro 25 pound. Tapos yung babayaran ko ngayon kasi nagta-taxi ako. Kasi sa bus, mamaya pa mga 40 past 5 pa. Tapos baka malate yung bus. Kaya I decided na mag-taxi. So ang taxi, mga ganun din, mga basta walang libre pala. Kasi yung libre gagamitin ko lang din sa pangbayad. Pero ito yung kanyang ginawa. Yan, libre lang, pero ang nagastos ko. Kasi akala ko wala pang work si Afam this time. Pero meron na siyang work. So, walang nagbantay kay Alexander. Kaya nagpaano na lang ako. After school care, 1 hour is 4 pound. So, yeah. So, yun. So, 4 pound, 8. Tapos, 3 hours na siya. So, nearly 3 hours na siya. So, magiging 12 pound. So, okay, 12 pound. Tapos, plus etong sinakyan ko ngayon. So, ganun din. Parang nagbayad din ako. Hindi ko kasi alam. Nung nag-book ako sa kanya, hindi ko alam na matagal. So, almost 4 hours din. Kaya, yun. Akala ko kasi 1 hour, 2 hours lang. Kasi cut ng hair, tapos curl. Tapos eto, ganito, braided or something. So, I didn't know na ang tagal natapos. 4 hours din akong tapos dun. Kaya yan. Pero okay lang din. Sige na lang. Sometimes lang naman tayo nagkakamali. Parang nagbayad lang din talaga ako. Walang nalibre. Ganun. Pero okay. Ganun talaga ang buhay. Sometimes nagkakamali tayo. Yung gusto mong makatipid, tapos napagastos ka tuloy. Pero matagal ko naman talagang gusto na magpa-haircut. Kaya, yan. So parang gumastos ako ng 25 din. Diba? Sige na lang. So guys, so nakuha ko na si Alexander. May uniform kasi siya. Nakuha ko na siya. And ang binabayaran ko is 10 pound. Tapos taxi is 8 pound. So 18 pounds sa aking buhok na libre sana. Pero okay, let's go to the bus. Malapit lang naman to sa bahay pero gusto niya mag-bus. Kaya let's go. Enjoy si Alexander sa after school activity niya. Come on. Madami ding bata actually, yung mga nag-work na parents. Let's go.
I watched them.
Really?
Yeah.
Happy siya, guys.
No, I watched.
Okay. Well, let's go so fast to the bus stop. Malapit lang ito sa bahay, pero magbabas kami dahil magbabayad kasi ako ng bus monthly. So, why not gamitin natin? And yung taxi, mahal lang binayaran ko sa taxi. 8 pound. Ang lapit lang nito sa town center. Kaso nga lang, hindi ako nag-wait ng bus dahil nga I'm afraid na malate yung bus. Tapos,
Mommy's broken.
what is broken?
Yeah. That
Oh, yeah. Hello guys. So today is Alexander's second day in football training. Tapos, yun na nga. Alam kong may football training siya today, pero ang tagal namin nagising kaya yung buhok ko basa pa. This is my hair now. Short hair, yeah. For the longest time. It will grow. It will grow.
Give it back.
It will grow. So, yeah, I like it. Actually, a while ago, nung nag-shampoo ako, ang dami kong nilagay na shampoo kasi akala ko, mahaba pa din yung buhok ko. So, dami ko talagang nilagay na shampoo. Tapos, I realized that short pala yung hair ko. Anyway, I love it. Kasi it has some layers like that. So, it will grow naman. So, anyway, ayaw ni Afam nito, actually. Na-shock siya nung, hindi kasi ako nagpaalam. Pero sinabi niya na before na pag nagpakat ka, hindi masyadong kasi gusto talaga niya ng mahaba. So anyway, Alexander is here. He's excited. And he said,
But Daddy said
Yun. Basa pa yung buhok ko. Malamig konti pero hopefully okay lang siya kasi naligo pa ako guys. You know. Kasi kahapon nag-away kami ni Afam. So nagtulog ako na walang ligo. Tulog na walang ligo. So ngayon sabi ko kailangan ko talagang maligo kasi I don't like it. Pag hindi naliligo, everyday ako naliligo talaga. Yeah. Si Alexander then everyday. So yeah. Okay guys, see you later pag nasa ano na kami. Nasa football field. And Alexander, yeah. Okay, alright. Prepare.
Something.
Alexander, are you excited? Nagdala pala ako ng camera for Alexander kasi para, you know, in the future, makita niya how we play. Oh, this is like adults. Or what? Basketball is it? Or no, football.
Here, yeah?
Huh?
You said it's here. That's in
Yeah,
place,
yeah. Why the gate is like press intercom deliveries, but why this gate is? Yeah, but how we can go out from like that? Yeah. Okay. Alexander.
Maybe it's mixed today.
Because it's like that time it's exclusive only. Yeah. No, that time exclusive. Now it's mixed.
No, it was a different time, yeah?
Oh yeah, Ande. It's not Saturday. Today is Saturday.
Yeah. Different day.
Alexander, yeah? Are you excited, Alexander? Okay, that's good. Eto guys, ang daming tao today kasi it's Saturday.
Already started, yeah?
Not yet.
Yeah, there with orange.
Oh yeah. Yeah, okay, oh my god. Okay, now. Okay. Okay, let's go there. It's better now.
I think solder, yeah?
Yes. Yeah.
Alexander is actually quite big for his age, yeah?
Yes. They say that. because why this boy babe is focusing to Alexander babe.
What one?
This boy focus to Alexander.
But definitely less kids now, yeah?
Talk to him and say if